Hey guys, ever found yourself tongue-tied around that special girl? Don't worry, we've all been there. Today we're diving into the art of asking a girl to be your girlfriend without breaking into a cold sweat. Picture this, you're hanging out with your crush, laughing at inside jokes, and suddenly you realise she might be the one. But how do you take that leap from friend to boyfriend? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to spill the tea on making that transition smooth as butter. First things first, confidence is key. But here's the secret. It's not about being a smooth-talking Casanova. It's about being authentically you. Girls can smell fake confidence from a mile away, trust me. Now, timing is everything. Don't rush in like a bull in a china shop. Look for those moments when you're both relaxed and having a great time. Maybe you're grabbing coffee or taking a walk in the park. That's your golden opportunity. But wait, before we go further, if you're loving these tips, smash that like button and subscribe for more dating advice that actually works. All right, back to business. When you're ready to pop the question, keep it simple and sincere. Try something like, I really enjoy spending time with you, and I'd love to take our relationship to the next level. Would you like to be my girlfriend? Boom. Straightforward and honest. Now I know what you're thinking, but what if she says no? Here's the deal. Rejection is part of the game. If she's not ready, respect her decision. Who knows? She might need more time, or maybe you're destined to be awesome friends. Either way, you've shown courage, and that's a win in my book. Remember, guys, the goal isn't just to get a girlfriend. It's about building a genuine connection with someone special. So take the time to really get to know her, share your thoughts and feelings, and, most importantly, be a good listener. Before we wrap up, here's your call to action. Take that leap of faith. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss our next video on first date do's and don'ts. Until then, stay confident, stay real, and go get 'em, Tiger.